Hey, it's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place on YouTube for martial artists to improve their training. On today's video, what I'm going to be doing is something super fun that I'm actually really excited about. Samery sent me over their Taekwondo student uniform and I am basically just gonna review it. So the reason that I'm really excited to do this video is because you guys know that Samery is like my all-time favorite brand for anything martial arts related. Their uniform is actually a student uniform because I often get questions about what kind of uniform should I wear, what kind of uniform should I use. So I'm excited to go ahead and try this on. Like I said, it's a student uniform. So I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I think. I'm gonna kick around in it and everything and just tell you guys how I feel about their student uniform. So I actually ordered a size 2 in this uniform and it does feel a little bit short. I usually get size 3 uniforms. I decided to go with a 2 this time because I wanted to try out what it felt like to not have a uniform that's like super baggy on me. Usually it just like comes down past like close to my fingertips. It does have the nice little strap. I get so many questions from beginner students about what to do with the strap, and usually our students in our studio don't earn their white belts until, well, they just don't get them until they've earned them. So usually what I like to do is tell them to take this little loop and just wrap it over to the button so that their uniform's not flappy while they're training before they earn their belt. Afterwards, once they have earned their belt, then usually I just have them tuck it underneath and it just kind of helps keep your uniform nice and tight. I will now go ahead and put my belt on and we're going to be doing the kick test. About this uniform is it is super light. On Samery's website it says that it is 6 ounces and it feels super light, which I know not everybody loves about a uniform, but for Taekwondo specifically, I like to feel like I'm light, like I'm fast, like I don't have anything like really on me weighing me down. I want to be able to have those quick movements, kind of just like a sparring uniform. Another thing that I really like about it is a student uniform, and usually student uniforms aren't even like ribbed, so I really like kind of the texture of this material. I'm not sure if you can see this texture, but it has like, it's kind of ribbed. I just like that because otherwise, as you wash the uniforms, if they don't have like this kind of texture on them, then eventually it just gets really soft and it feels like you're just wearing pajamas and it has like no really feel to it, which you want to feel sharp and strong, and this is definitely the type of feeling that I get from wearing this uniform. Which, by the way, did I mention that this uniform is only $30 on Samery's website? You can just go on there and order it. Also, if you use my code SAMERY10, it gets you 10% off anything on the website. So you can use my discount code to save 10% on this uniform. But honestly, like $30 is a great price for a uniform already, especially when it's this high quality. It also says that it is shrink resistant, which is super important, especially if this is a uniform that's going to be for kids. You don't want them to get something that's going to end up shrinking right away as they are growing. And it has a good solid like elastic waistband just to kind of give you a better fit as well. Literally the only negative thing I can think of to say about this uniform is I wish that I could have this in a bigger size now, but that's all on me. I knew what I was doing, I knew what I was getting. I was getting 1 size smaller than I usually get, but I felt like experimenting. So if you're thinking about getting this uniform, my only suggestion would be stay true to your size, because they do fit to their actual size. Okay guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video review. If there is anything else that you guys want to know about, like what kind of sparring gear to use, what kind of weapons are best, just let me know in the comments below and I would be happy to keep doing some more martial arts gear reviews. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you follow my account at Live Martial Arts on Instagram, and I will see you guys all on the next video. Bye guys!